The Supreme Court on Monday rejected the bail plea of expelled BJP leader Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the case related to custodial death of the Unnao rape survivor's father. A three-judge bench, headed by Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, along with Justice Joymalia Bagchi and N.V. Anjaria, noted that Sengar's appeal against his conviction is still pending before the Delhi High Court. The Supreme Court asked the High Court to take up the appeal on priority basis, observing that Sengar has already spent nearly 9 years and 7 months in the jail. Previously, on January 19, 2025, the Delhi High Court has refused to suspend Sengar's 10-year sentence and grant him bail in the custodial death case. The High Court observed that the delay in the trial was partly caused by multiple applications filed by Sengar himself and found no grounds and suspect his sentence. The case dates back to 2018 when the father of Unnao rape survivor died while in police custody. A trial court later held Sengar guilty of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, ruling that while there was no intention to kill, his action led to the death. In March 2020, the trial court sentenced Sengar a 10 years of rigorous imprisonment and imposed a fine of 10 lakh rupees, noting that the victim's father was the sole breadwinner of the family and that no leniency could be shown. In a separate but related case, Sengar was convicted in December 2019 in the main Unnao rape case and was sentenced to imprisonment for the remainder of his life. The Unnao case has shocked the nation and raised serious concern about abuse of power and safety of survivor. The matter continues to be closely watched as legal proceedings move forward.